Go.
Okay, so what you said to me about launching when I took your free challenge, right, was that the pieces go together. So I had my freebie, I had my, free stuff, I had my podcast, none of it went together. And I think that coaches who are already successful assume everybody knows. Or you have in the marketplace people saying, just put yourself out there. Just talk about anything. If you talk about something, things will come. So I'm over here, like in my podcast, talking about student loans, but I help people with their careers. Or I'm talking about, let's say, self-concept type of stuff, but people don't know what that is. And so how do all those pieces go together, or how do I use the words that resonate with people so they can do it? That was the biggest aha moment, game changer during your free challenge for me.